Letting the horses out. Someone's a little bit impatient. Mud pit out here. Sorry about that. There they are. Round bales out there. Horses go to the water. The other ones are way over there in the other pasture. This used to be divided into 2 pastures. Now it's just, they took down the gates over there. You can see the opening between the 2. So these 3 get put in at night, and everybody in Romeo and Deja stay out. So yay! Everybody is good. They have water in their thing, but for some reason they prefer the water out here than the ones in the stall. Thank you for everyone that has watched all my videos and for everyone that asks different questions about the horses. I'm hoping to do more videos as we go along, especially now that I have a better understanding of all my medical issues.